Hey, what up, y'all? Happy Easter. Today in the trailer hood, we're going to be cooking some scalloped potatoes with ham. And in an attempt to keep it cool here inside my RV, I'm going to try to avoid using my stove and my oven. I'm going to do all my prep cooking in this electric skillet, and then I'm going to try to bake the dish in my toaster oven. Don't know how it's going to go. We'll see. So to start the dish, we need to work on our roux. I'm going to begin by melting 3 tablespoons of butter here in the skillet, and then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of chopped onions and cook them down till they're nice and soft. Let's do it. Alright, well, you saw it. It was pretty darn easy. This is what we got. That thing. Ooh. Yeah. Got my little oven preheating at 350 over here. I'm going to throw it in there for an hour and see what it looks like. I guess if the cheese starts to burn, I'll try to cover it with tin foil or something. Alright, fingers crossed. I don't know what's going to happen. Wow, it is beautiful. Look at that. It's time to dig in. It looks good. Let me give this a bite. Yeah. This is fantastic. Damn, that's good. Alright, so as you see, I made mine in a 8x8 pan here. It's just me. If you had a big group of people to feed and you were going to do a larger pan, say a 13x9, you just want to double the recipe. And I've listed all the ingredients and the quantities down in the description. I guess it's a wrap from here in the trailer hood. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you guys try this recipe. Hope everyone out there has a happy Easter. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Mmm.